Hi there, it's Grant here. I've got a quick crypto video for you this morning. Potentially a big week for crypto because the much hyped Spot Bitcoin ETF applications are expected to be approved, and approval could come as early as tomorrow. And many analysts are potentially predicting, they're 95% confident that at least one of these applications is going to be approved. So that's what I'm going to sort of talk about today. Before I get further into the video, if you want to be kept fully up to date with what's happening in the crypto market so you can stay ahead of the curve, why not join my brand new Crypto Insider newsletter? We're going to cover breaking crypto news, crypto movers and shakers, trending crypto coins, insights into promising crypto projects, and much, much more. It's completely free to join. All you need to do is click the button here, enter your email, and you will be subscribed to the newsletter, which I will drop every week. So if you want to be kept up to date with my Crypto Insider newsletter, link to this in the comments and description below. So why not join? Completely free. So, yeah, as I said, Spot Bitcoin ETF approvals are expected soon, as soon as tomorrow. 95% likelihood this is going to happen, but there is always a possibility that Gary Gensler at the SEC could suspend approval and put back the date to either later in January or February to make another decision on the Bitcoin ETF approval. So it's not an absolute shoo-in this is going to happen, but I think we're 95% of the way there. So we're just going to have to wait and see what happens tomorrow, or the deadline to approve it is actually Friday. Either tomorrow, Thursday or Friday, we're going to get an update from Gary Gensler at the SEC of what he's going to do. So, yeah, very, very interesting. So, Bitcoin and the wider crypto market's not been doing great recently. We've had some dips, as you can see here, but some positive news came out yesterday. Bitcoin surged 6% in the past 24 hours, and Ethereum was up 3.65%. Solana was up 12%. So yeah, basically traders are getting ready for the approval. Money is starting to flow into Bitcoin and the top 10 cryptos ready for this approval, because when the approval happens, there's a couple of scenarios what could happen. If one of these applications gets approved tomorrow, the price of Bitcoin could potentially soar on that news as money pours into Bitcoin. The other side of it is that the traders, short-term traders who've been trying to play, this narrative of a Spot Bitcoin ETF being approved, seeing that Bitcoin's done so well over the past 3 months, a lot of traders, short-term traders, could pull their money and their profits, and we could see quite a sizable dip in Bitcoin after approval. Sell the news event, and it's not even realms of possibility we could see a 10% or more dip in Bitcoin, which would confuse a lot of people, because you think if one of these things gets approved, the price of Bitcoin will go parabolic. But it just depends if a lot of short-term speculative traders are going to pull their profits from the gains they've made over the past 3 months following this narrative. So ultimately, if one of these funds gets approved, we just don't know what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin. I mean, I guess, the smart money would think, well, Bitcoin could go on a bit of a rally in the short term. But equally, a lot of traders could take their profits and leave Bitcoin dips and then rebuy at a lower position down the road. Whatever happens, I'm pretty certain at some point this year, one of these Spot Bitcoin ETFs is going to be approved, whether it's this week, next month, or a little further down the road. It is going to happen. There's too much pressure for it not to happen. The SEC are going to have to cave into this. So new money is going to sort of flow into crypto this year through the Spot Bitcoin ETF. And this is why they're such a big deal, because Spot ETF Bitcoin Fund allows less sophisticated investors or knowledgeable investors in the crypto space to get exposure to Bitcoin without having to buy, sell, or self-custody crypto themselves on crypto exchanges. So new money will be flowing into crypto through these funds. And if billions of dollars eventually flood into these funds, then, the price of Bitcoin could go parabolic. So yeah, we just have to wait and see with what happens. I think the whole crypto market is on tenterhooks, keeping everything crossed that at least one of these applications is approved. Because I think if one of these things is approved, we're off to the market. Now, whether one of these applications gets approved or not, I don't think we're going to see major price action with Bitcoin, silly gains until after Bitcoin's halvening. Bitcoin's halvening is expected at the end of April. And that is typically when that happens, when Bitcoin's price goes parabolic and it exceeds previous all-time highs. So whilst I think the Spot Bitcoin ETF narrative is positive for Bitcoin, and we've seen a lot of gains from it on the hype over the past couple of months, I think we're going to probably have to wait until late April for Bitcoin to probably exceed its previous all-time high. Now, I could be completely wrong there, could be off, but that is typically what has happened. So yeah, there's going to be a lot to look out for in the crypto space over the next couple of months leading up to Bitcoin's halvening. I think there's going to be plenty of volatility in the market, even though we're now in the crypto bull market. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility between now and the end of April. But I think the real action in the bull market is going to happen once Bitcoin halvening has happened. And once Bitcoin goes parabolic and exceeds all-time highs, the gloves are off, and eventually that will ignite the entire crypto market, going down the mid caps to the low caps. So yes, hold on to your hats. It's going to be a crazy ride this year, but yeah, I think there's going to be some massive gains, not only for Bitcoin, but the smaller crypto coins as well. So that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative. And again, if you want to be kept up to date with the crypto market on a weekly basis, why not join my free Crypto Insider newsletter? Just submit your email and you can join absolutely free. Also, if you're looking for more detailed crypto research, why not join my favorite crypto research and advisory service, the Palm Beach Letter, run by T. Couture, who's one of the world's leading crypto experts. If you want to join the Palm Beach Letter, I'll put a link down in the comments and description below for you to join. Normally this service is $199 for the year, but you can get your first year for 75% off and join for just $49. And this service has really helped me to find really good crypto coins to invest in for the crypto bull run. So it's one of the best newsletters if you're looking for cutting edge crypto research and great crypto picks. So why not check that out? Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.